It's February 3rd. Since it's not going to be freezing outside at night anymore, Trinitron's back outside. Cover it up. And bulk pickup. People start putting stuff out, or they're allowed to start putting stuff out on the 7th. Today is the 3rd. Saw Hampton Bay Landmark Plus in the trash. Busted blade, so I didn't grab it. Plus, I don't have anywhere to put it. I just test it out and sell it. So I just left it there to die. Made in China, probably still works. I think it's made by SMC. So yeah, commence the cleaning up. Oh, speaking of that, look at this. Oh, hold on. It's a lamp I saved off the side of the road a few streets away. What a shame it'd be to see this thing go to waste. New old stock 1980 Sylvania light bulb in there. Got a 4-pack of that. Of those. And here's my cord wrap job. Jordan, you would be proud. Is it like Gemini? The OG China Pride, as Spats Bear calls it. I got a lot of stuff in here. I've been emptying out the resistors and everything else. I've been putting them in there. Took those out of the garage because I didn't want them to freeze. They'll survive though, but I just want to have them in the house anyway. Sharpie. Found that in the street one day. Itchy. Jeez. Came across a $100 pair of bows everywhere or something. I thought I should put them up here. I don't know about that. About done editing the video, the Magnavox TV. Sold it to the guy I sold the RCA to. And gave away the 20-inch sharp tube because it had a really noisy picture. And yeah, he has a TV wall. He has a bunch of sets and monitors. When I sold the Zenith TV, the 25-inch one, that had a 25-inch Philips picture tube, same series as that. AFW 36X. Oh, that's from the VCR I got. I had more than just the VCR stuff. This is out of the 84 Magnavox TV. Can you RGB mod this? Why am I asking? Because RGB signals. It already looks freaking great. It's an RF only 19-inch set for my brother and my dad. Came with the 87 Zenith, my first Zenith. Color TV 20-inch set. And there's one of these at an estate sale. I'll show the clip. Score. Yes, it was $5. And the picture had halfway vertical collapse. It looked like super wide. It was like that. And I bought the service manual on eBay. There's actually a video of one of these in action, so who cares if mine didn't work, because you can see a better guy's better video. This came with the Zenith TV I was given for free. Yeah. It was a B25A 30Z. I forgot to give the lady I sold the set to this. I hate when I do that, you know? So I like completeness. But, you know, I forgot. And who cares? It's just a manual. No one's going to read it. Either you know how to use the TV or you don't. Okay, let's get this in here. I'm doing it left-handed. I'm right-handed. As if that's an excuse. I mean, it is, but somewhat of a legit excuse. I'm just going to leave this here, and there's an X through the battery, but when it does that, it records for longer. Longer than you think. Jeez, I need to shut up. 9:59. Just gotta play this video. It's on YouTube in a cable to VHS, and they put it on DVD, ripped it off DVD and put it on YouTube. It's awful. But it's good enough for now. Saw it on here. So let's get the flash drive. They're not gonna play it, so it's like whatever, but just in case. Probably start out with some kind of crappy. We'll see though. Ooh, so modern sounding.
The biggest legends, the greatest songs, music that
What are they gonna
will
play?
live forever. These are the country classics.
Record. Oops, I hit PVR. Not record. Damn it. No. Still playing Tracy Lawrence. Stuff I grew up with. As well as Matchbox 20 and the Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. I remember them. From back in the day, they had the greatest hits CD from '93. He's 2 years older than me. This was in the video of a vintage TV collector guy's video on YouTube. And you have to guess what it is. Very era appropriate for this set. Sexy. Kind of looks like Jordan U.